In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this twisted text. Let's create a text object, edit it, and type R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees in the X axis. I'll extrude it a bit. Let's create a curve circle. If you don't see the curve circle in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's add a curve modifier. Let's rotate the curve 90 degrees in the X axis. If we rotate the text object, not much changes are being made, other than the text being rotated. What if we rotate the curve circle? If I move the text object in the X axis, this awesome twist effect occurs. We can animate this by keyframing the first and the last frame's X location. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.